If you love driving but hate surprises on the road, then knowing about your brake pads is crucial. Brake pads are the unsung heroes of automotive safety. Positioned snugly in your car's wheel system, they press against the rotor, allowing you to slow down or stop your vehicle effectively. But it's not just about stopping. Brake pads work hand in hand with advanced systems like ABS, the anti-lock braking system, and ESP, the electronic stability program. These technologies prevent wheel lockup during emergency braking and help maintain vehicle control during extreme maneuvers. Why does this matter? Because maintaining your brake pads isn't just about avoiding that metal-on-metal screech. It's about ensuring these systems work perfectly when you need them most. Signs of worn-out pads include reduced braking effectiveness, longer stopping distances, and sometimes even a telling squeak or grinding noise. Remember, regular checks and timely replacements of your brake pads not only keep you safe but also enhance your car's overall handling. So next time you go for a drive, give a little thanks to those small but mighty brake pads that keep you and your passengers safe. Stay smart, drive safe.